Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of all devices on Instagram. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your Instagram app. Now tap on profile icon. Tap on three-line menu. Tap on account center. Tap on password and security. Tap on where you are logged in. Now select Instagram account. Now tap on select devices to log out. Now select all device and finally tap on logged out. Clicking on the log out option will log you out of your Instagram account of all devices. Finally solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.